I have a dream. Someday I open my eyes for the new world. The world is full of opportunities. The world where we have Sapphire. Oh. Safr collects data from people and lend it to healthcare organizations in a trustworthy way. People providing data are rewarded from the profits of lending and assured about the usage of their data. We are a bank which is using data. We are a data bank. And we promising that Sapphire is an unethical company. We are work with people who are suffering from killing their privacy. And now we want to explain our system with our sketch.
So, hi, I'm the provider, and I'm just a normal guy, just like you. And I'm always very concerned about how my personal data is shared and distributed throughout the internet. And at the same time, I would also love to support healthcare and medical research and development. And it would be cool if, by doing that, I could also earn a little money.
Hi, I'm his data. For example, I can be his heartbeat rate or eating habits.
Hey, I'm a customer. For example, a research company that constantly needs actual, broad, and reliable data in order to improve health and society.
And hi, I'm Safr, the company who is going to solve all your problems. And I work in the following way.
So, Sapphire collects my data and stores it.
I will remind her until there is a suitable project in which I can be used.
For my research project, I address the Sapphire so they can lend me the needed data.
Hi, I'm Money, and the research company pays me to Sapphire as soon as they need data. There, I stay as somehow a security deposit. Another part of me goes to the provider. And even Sapphire is able to keep some commission out of me.
However, if the customer uses the data in a non-ethical way or copies it, the money, the security deposit, is going to stay with me and won't return to the customer.
Yeah, I have been available for the customer for a certain amount of time. Afterwards, I will go back to the Sapphire. First, it's possible that the customer shared the outcome of the project to the Sapphire, and then my value has increased.
In that point, the cycle begins again. Now, my customer has done his research, the provider has got money for his data, and I, Sapphire, have increased my value.
Well, that was quite a performance, but I've still got some questions. I mean, how does this whole transparency thing work?
Well, the provider can track his data so that he knows which customers are using the data. But can every customer use the data?
No. The provider, they can limit the access to their data. And they can also rank the customers, which then also defines their credibility. But can everybody become a provider? And what about misuse or even fraud? I mean, you could easily set up 2 accounts and make double the money.
Well, first of all, everybody can become a provider. Even former customers can become providers. However, you need to certify that you exist. So for people, we use some sort of identity checking. But like, I didn't quite get this. How does the provider make money?
Well, the customer makes a security deposit to Safr, which then is returned once Safr gets their data back. However, there is a fee that applies to the customer, so that Safr can pay back the provider and keep a little commission for itself. But why go through the trouble of security deposit and lending? Why not just simply sell the data?
So, you didn't quite get it, did you? We challenge the paradigm that data can be copied. So we understand data like a currency, which can be lended. By lending, we can ensure that the data is just used for a designated purpose. And the security deposit is to make the data secure. So you see, we have quite a profound idea. But what's about the future?
Well, Safr right now only applies to the healthcare area, but technically this system could be applied to every field of business where data can be of use. So you see, making an investment in our company today could really pay off big in the future. So, provider, are you happy?
Yeah, I mean, I help society become healthier. I earn a little money as well, and I know how and where my data is being used. So I'm extremely happy. What about you? Thanks.